Okay. Good afternoon, children. Very good afternoon. Today's topic is questions on Telangana symbols. Okay, children, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then. Telangana fruit.
Mango.
Telangana motto.
Satyameva Jayate.
Telangana song.
Jayate Telangana.
Telangana animal.
Swahili.
Telangana bird.
Indian rodent.
Telangana fish.
Snake and rodent.
Telangana flower.
Tangledi Pongo.
Telangana tree.
Jambi Chettu.
Telangana dance.
Peni Shivataandalam.
Once again.
Peni Shivataandalam.
Telangana capital.
Hyderabad.
Districts in Telangana.
33 districts in Telangana.
Telangana official language. Telangana additional official language.
Urdu.
Telangana formation day.
June 2014.
Very good. Telangana literacy rate.
66.54%.
Telangana chief minister.
Revanth Reddy garu.
Telangana governor.
Sri Vishnu Devarma.
Vanaparthi collector. Say again. Very good. Telangana dance. Telangana logo. Once again. What is the old name of Telangana? Say again. Very good. Who is the father of Telangana? Very good. Thank you, children.
Thank you very much.